My name is Macy Cattell, and I am a second year medical student at the University of Otago. Thanks to the amazing generosity of the Otago Medical Research Foundation funders, I am undertaking a research project this summer. I am investigating the toxic effects of chemical compounds called helicates on cancer cells. Cancer is one of the leading causes of death worldwide. It is difficult to treat because the cancer cells are similar to our normal healthy ones.
This means that by targeting the cancer, we often damage the other organs as well.
We need to find new compounds that are toxic to cancer cells, yet ignore our healthy cells.
Helicates could be a potential source of new drugs. These are engineered molecules consisting of organic strands wound around metal ions.
Because they are structured differently, they may act in a different way too.
The first step is to see how many cancer cells are killed by each helicate in the different concentrations. The lower the concentration of the helicate needed to kill the cells, the more toxic the drug.
We also care about how the helicates work. We can find this out by adding molecular probes to allow us to visualize how the nucleus changes following the addition of the drug. And we can measure the contents of things that fall out of the cell if the cell membrane is broken.